In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting errors saying that only one instance of Wusa.exe is allowed to run. So we're going to jump into how to hopefully resolve this problem, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time, and you want to type in Services. Best Match should come back with Services right above Desktop App. You want to left click on that one time. Now you want to go down until you get to the Windows Installer service, so scroll down here. So right here, and you want to double click on it. Now you want to make sure startup type is set to automatic and service status is started. So I'm actually going to start the service right here. And you also want to change the startup type to automatic as well. Just do apply and OK in order to save that. And hopefully that should have resolved the issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.